I'm preferring to their egg salad or their double eggs. Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen. You guys, today we are gonna make us some quick double eggs. So I want to take you guys through these steps right quick, you guys, because we have a tray over here that I'm gonna lay my eggs in. Sorry about the interruption, that's my phone. And no, I'm not gonna answer it. So as you guys see, you have your boiled eggs and you want to lift this out. How's everyone doing today? Be gentle with it, you guys. And I'm going to do this because I only have 5 eggs, which is going to make 10 halves, you guys. I'm the only one really enjoys it. So yeah. Your girl is going to go on and do this right quick. This is an easy process. And I know everyone makes their eggs differently. Not their eggs, but you know, I'm preferring to their egg salad or their double eggs. So yeah, we're just going to use a couple because your girl hadn't had them in a while. And I just wanted to bring it while I was preparing it for myself. Some people add bacon or shrimp to it. I'm not adding anything to it because I just want to, like I said, have a taste of it. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I don't know if I ever created this on my channel, but we're going to use some sandwich bread, you guys. Why? Because it has all the ingredients. All the ingredients in this. And I'm just going to use a fork and a half. And I'm going to smash this up. You can add seasoning salt, your black pepper, whatever your season of your choice, but I'm going to try it with the garlic and herb. That's it. And I'm going to add a little parsley. But wait 1 minute, guys, I got to get the mustard. Okay, guys, so I got my mustard. I like French's mustard, and I'm going to squeeze me just probably about a tablespoon in here. And that's all I'm going to add to this. I know each one of us, if you haven't tried this recipe, try it. Make your tuna salad. You know, make everything that you enjoy using this sandwich bread. It's quick and easy. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get these on over here. And I am going to stuff it. Now, yes, I have the regular stuffer. But we're just going to lightly tuck. One fell over. But it's okay because this is going to be eaten as soon as it get a chill. Now, if I was doing this for a party, yes, I will present it a lot better. But I figured somebody might want to try this while I had the urge and I wanted it. As you guys hear, I have made it to the bottom, and I'm going to get the last of this filling out for the last of this egg. Okay. So yeah, those are my double eggs, you guys. And we're gonna sprinkle it. And like I said, I would have presented it a little better, okay? But anywho, I just didn't want you guys to miss out on this video of my delicious double eggs. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, let it chill, and I'll see you guys on a mukbang with it. So yes, stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. You guys, quick, affordable, easy recipes, and yes, delicious meals. So with that, sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.